You spend 3 hours building your website, picking colors, writing copy, getting everything exactly right, then you hit publish and a credit card form appears. That's what we like to call the fake free trap. So today I've filtered through the noise to find 3 AI builders that actually let you publish for $0 forever, plus one premium option that might just change your mind about paying. Before we get into the list, let me quickly explain why free website builders work the way that they do, because it comes down to one thing: the freemium business model. I know it sounds like textbook stuff, but here's what it actually means for you. A free website builder tells the world that you're a hobbyist. A premium website tells them that you're a business. Think of it like clothing. A paid site is like wearing a nice tailored suit. It fits perfectly, looks expensive, and has your name stitched on the inside label. A free site is like wearing a promo t-shirt. It covers your body, but there's a giant neon logo on the chest that says, "I got this for free." Sure, it still works, but everyone just knows that you didn't pay for it. So with that in mind, here are the 3 free AI builders that are actually worth your time. Number 1, Wix, the AI powerhouse. If you want the most complete AI built website for free, Wix is the strongest option. Their AI builder uses a guided question interface. It asks about your business type, name, design preferences, and target audience, then generates a fully structured site with a custom layout and relevant content in about 5 to 15 minutes. And the AI doesn't stop after setup. Wix has over 20 built-in AI tools, including text generation, image creation, and a theme assistant for design guidance, making it the most feature-rich free builder that we tested. That said, here's the catch. 2 things give the free plan away immediately. First, your URL will look something like this: yourname.wixsite.com/mysite. Second, a thick Wix branded banner sits at the top of every single page and it doesn't move. Every visitor is gonna see that before they see anything that you actually built. For a school project, personal portfolio, or a hobby site, totally fine. For anything client-facing, well, that's a problem. Option number 2 is Site123, the simple choice. Site123 is built around one core promise: getting a website live as fast as possible with 0 technical friction. The AI handles the heavy lifting, so you just need to pick your site name, category, a layout template, and it generates a fully structured site in under a minute. There's also a built-in AI text tool that rewrites, expands, or adjusts the tone of your copy directly inside the editor, which means you don't have to write anything from scratch. The platform has a locked down layout system, so you can edit text, images, and basic structure, but the system won't let you break the design, which is exactly what makes it reliable for first-time builders. Of course, the free plan does have some limitations. The templates feel a little outdated compared to Wix, and the free subdomain format is notably unflattering. A Site123 ribbon also runs across the bottom of every site and can only be removed on a paid plan. But for a simple portfolio, Site123 remains one of the most efficient free publishing options available. Webador's entire value proposition is speed. The AI setup wizard takes your business name, type, and a few key details, then generates a structured layout with relevant content and widgets in under 10 minutes, arguably the fastest of the 3 builders on this list. The editor is simple, drag and drop, clean interface, fully mobile responsive templates, and access to over 100,000 stock photos. The free plan is also pretty generous. It comes with unlimited storage, unlimited data traffic, and access to all 50+ templates at no cost. As you'd expect though, there are some trade-offs. Customization is more restricted than Wix or Site123. You're largely working within the template that they provide. Webador branding appears in the footer and can't be removed on the free plan either. And perhaps most importantly, Webador free sites are not indexed by Google. Your site exists and can be shared via a direct link, but it won't appear in search results unless you upgrade. For a private portfolio or project you're sharing manually, that's totally fine, but for anyone who wants to be found online, well, it's a hard ceiling. Before we get to the best alternative, let's just look at this for a second. On the left, this monstrosity. On the right, www.yourname.com. Same content, same photos, probably the same hours of work, but when a visitor sees that address on the left, a judgment is already forming before they've even read a single word on your site. There's a pretty well-documented principle in web design called the 3-second rule. Visitors decide whether to stay or leave almost instantly, and that URL is part of that split-second decision. A string of random numbers followed by site123.me raises a small bit of real red flags. Is this even a safe website? Is it safe to click on anything, or am I about to download malware? Sure, the AI can build a site for free, but your credibility is gonna cost a few dollars a month. If the ads in the subdomain are a deal breaker, then here's where to go instead: Squarespace. It's not free forever, but the 14-day free trial requires no credit card, which means you can build your entire site, see exactly what you're getting, and decide before spending anything whether it's a good fit for you. The difference starts with Blueprint AI. Rather than generating a generic layout from a category selection, it asks about your goals, your brand, and your content structure, and builds around those answers. The output looks like something a designer made, not something a template produced. And it gives you 3 things that a free plan simply can't. 0 ads, no banners, no footer ribbons, nothing competing with your content. A custom domain, www.yourname.com, from day one included with any paid plan. Built-in e-commerce on every plan, so products, services, or send invoices whenever you're ready. Even if that's not your focus right now, the option is already there for you in the future. For a few dollars a month, it's the difference between a site that works and a site that actually converts. Okay, so here's the honest breakdown. Wix, Site123, and Webador are all genuinely free, genuinely functional, and they'll get you live without touching your wallet. If you're building a school project, testing an idea, or putting together a hobby site, then any of these 3 will do the job well. But if you want to look professional, make money, or get hired, then Squarespace is the smarter investment. We've linked to the free plans for all 3 builders down in the description, and fair warning, some of these platforms bury the free option and push the paid plan pretty hard, so we've tracked down the direct links for you, so we'll leave those down in the description. And if you're gonna go the Squarespace route, our exclusive link down below gets you into the free trial plus the best available rate on a paid plan. Build the site, see the difference, and decide from there. Don't forget to drop us a comment as well and tell us what you're working on building. Your idea might even inspire a future video. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.